Good morning. It is January 21st, 2026. I'm Dr. Deuk Plasma. One of the treatments we do at Deuk Spine Institute that a lot of people are unaware of is we treat arthritic pain in knees, hips, shoulders, other joints throughout your body. Now, you had knee pain for how long?
Quite some time. Over a couple of years, sometimes I'd get a shot, maybe it'd take the pain away for a while, but I'd be right back in the same position.
Now, you had the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy for your knee, and do you still have your arthritis knee pain in that right knee?
Absolutely not. The minute I was in recovery, I could tell the difference.
It was gone.
It was gone.
We don't have you on pain medication. We didn't do a shot in your knee.
No.
We just went in and destroyed the pain nerves, the knee joint, and that took care of the pain.
Absolutely.
And how do you feel now that you're walking around without knee pain?
Ready to go on my next cruise without taking a scooter.
Now, you had been dealing with knee joint pain for some time, years, and you have an orthopedic surgeon. What did your orthopedic surgeon recommend to you?
After another steroid shot, we needed to wait 12 plus weeks to do a
total knee arthroplasty. And what it means is they're literally going to saw your bone off here at your femur, and then saw those other bones and basically cut the joint out, the painful part of the joint out, and put a metal joint in. Now, the recovery for total knee arthroplasty or replacement can be up to a year. And a lot of people end up having problems with that surgery, such as infections or ongoing pain. Why did you want to avoid the total knee arthroplasty procedure?
Definitely, the recovery time is painful, long, like months.
So why did you decide to come to Deuk Spine Institute for the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy for your knee pain?
Because I've been fortunate enough to have had the rhizotomy on my back, which has done very well. Back to living my life. When I approached you about this, or just actually opened up the discussion, and when you suggested it, it was not even 2 seconds to make a decision. What worked on my back would work on my knee. I wanted it.
And that's what we did.
That's what we did.
Yeah, our Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy for knee pain, basically we make 3 small incisions. You can see that on your knee there. You got a tiny little 4mm incision. And I go in with our Deuk Plasma Wand, and we destroy the pain nerves in 3 areas. Now that you've had it done and it's worked with the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy, what's life going to be like for you?
Maybe I could start playing golf again.
Yeah.
More mobility. Definitely just being able to do more. I mean, I've been house-ridden for quite some time, unable to do things and enjoy things because of it. So now I can start.
Congratulations. Go enjoy life.
Thank you.